Can you recall an era when hairstyles were not merely styled, but were bold statements of creativity and pure fun? Imagine the vibrant music videos, the daring fashion choices, and a hair trend that instantly added incredible volume and undeniable texture to any look. It was a time when bigger truly felt better, and hair became a canvas for ultimate self-expression. When we dive into the world of iconic 80s hairstyles, crimped hair shines as a true standout, and several legendary celebrities absolutely own this look. Pop icons like Madonna and Cyndi Lauper were at the forefront, integrating those distinctive zigzag waves into their edgy and playful personas. Beyond the music scene, actresses such as Sarah Jessica Parker and Valerie Bertinelli, in their popular 80s roles, also showcased these memorable crimped styles, solidifying its place as a quintessential celebrity trend. Crimped hair soared in popularity because it perfectly encapsulated the decade's vibrant energy and its embrace of individuality. A significant reason for its widespread adoption was the clever invention and mass availability of affordable crimping irons. These innovative tools made it incredibly easy for anyone, not just professional stylists, to achieve those unique, tightly woven patterns. Music television channels played a pivotal role too, constantly showcasing pop stars with their elaborately crimped locks, inspiring millions to emulate the look and experiment with their own hair for maximum visual impact and a touch of playful rebellion. It was a fusion of accessible technology and daring fashion that truly set the trend ablaze. Achieving this highly sought-after hairstyle was quite straightforward once you had the right tool. The specialized crimping irons featured heated plates with a distinctive corrugated or zigzag pattern. To crimp your hair, you would simply section off dry hair, usually starting near the roots, and then clamp the iron down for a few seconds. Moving the iron down each section, you would repeat the process, creating a consistent, textured wave pattern. Some people would crimp their entire head for an all-over voluminous effect, while others strategically crimped certain sections to add highlights or frame their face. What makes crimped hair a truly fascinating detail from the 80s is its incredible versatility and how it crossed over from pop culture to everyday style. It was not a one-size-fits-all look. You could create subtle micro-crimps for a finer, almost frizzy texture, or opt for larger, more pronounced zigzags for a dramatic, voluminous statement. Many embrace the technique by layering crimped sections with smooth hair, adding unexpected texture to updos, or transforming a simple ponytail into a flamboyant fashion statement. This adaptability turned a single styling tool into a dynamic instrument for personal expression. So, the unforgettable image of crimped hair, famously worn by trendsetters like Madonna and Cyndi Lauper, brilliantly captures the very essence of 80s glamour and its fearless commitment to personal expression. This iconic style remains a wonderful and tangible reminder of a decade that truly encouraged everyone to be a little bolder, a little brighter, and always authentically themselves through their fashion and, especially, their hair choices.